3, 2, 1.
1 gram of proteins provides how many calories of energy? The answer is A, 4. Which of the following energy conversions takes place in a battery-operated flashlight? The answer is C, chemical electrical light. Which voiceover actress, who has also done voices for Nickelodeon, is the voice of Keed in Killer 7? The answer is A, Tara Strong. Which circuit diagram symbol represents a resistor? The answer is A, line with zigzag end. Which fashion brand is known for its red soles and LV monogram? The answer is B, Louis Vuitton. What was the first episode of the animated series Family Guy called? The answer is B, Death Has a Shadow. Which kind of events can form mountains? The answer is A, earthquakes and volcanoes. Who is the only slugger in the following list that has had a 50-plus home run season? The answer is C, Andruw Jones. Mendeleev organized what basic units into rows and columns? The answer is A, elements. Which of the following composers wrote the Moonlight Sonata for piano? The answer is D, Ludwig van Beethoven. Where does most of our food come from? The answer is D, angiosperms. Which author wrote The Murder of Roger Ackroyd? The answer is A, Agatha Christie. Who set the record for longest fingernails on a pair male? The answer is A, Sridhar, India. Electrical messages are carried by chemicals called what? The answer is A, neurotransmitters. Which is the correct definition for oxter? The answer is A, the armpit. Which kitchen tool is used for peeling potatoes? The answer is C, potato peeler. Contributing to the blood-brain barrier is one of the jobs of glial cells, which support neurons in what system? The answer is C, central nervous system. Which of the following statements best explains why magnets usually stick to a refrigerator door? The answer is B, the refrigerator door contains iron. Which supply can help with drawing? The answer is A, scissors. What is the name for a biologist who studies fungi? The answer is D, mycologists. Which galaxy is visible from Earth with the naked eye? The answer is B, Milky Way. Who is the girl's favorite shoe designer? The answer is C, Manolo Blahnik. Tolkien was religious and insisted that his wife convert to his faith. What was the religion he was devoted to? The answer is C, Catholicism. I'm a man who speaks without a mouth and hears without ears. Who am I? The answer is C, an owl. Which is a carnivore? The answer is D, a shark. What part of the ear is often described as a bony labyrinth? The answer is A, inner ear. What is the capital city of Belarus? The answer is B, Minsk. Which is the wettest continent?
The answer is B, Africa.
What book was published under the pseudonym Richard Bach? The answer is A, Jonathan Livingston Seagull. Who of the following never played quarterback for Alabama Crimson Tide? The answer is B, Archie Manning. Which of the characters from the TV sitcom Friends shared her first kiss ever with her brother? The answer is B, Monica. What song performed by Judy Garland in the 1939 movie The Wizard of Oz won the Academy Award for Best Original Song? The answer is A, Over the Rainbow. Which company owns Google? The answer is C, Alphabet Inc. What group of single-celled organisms lacking a nucleus comprises the most numerous organisms on Earth? The answer is C, prokaryotes. Which cookie is typically sandwich style with a cream filling? The answer is A, Oreo. The language Czech belongs to which language family? The answer is C, Indo-European. What herb is oregano most closely related to? The answer is B, marjoram. In the 1960s TV series The Saint, the protagonist owns what type of car? The answer is D, Volvo P1800. What makes the Earth habitable for humans? The answer is A. Abundance of water. What blue movie is not correctly matched with the starring actors? The answer is B. Mickey Blue Eyes, Tom Cruise, Elizabeth Hurley. In the movie The Bad News Bears, what is the name of the coach of the Bears, portrayed by Walter Matthau? The answer is D. Morris Buttermaker. When is the United States flag flown at half-mast? The answer is C. In mourning and holiday observation. Broca's area, responsible for the production of language or controlling movements responsible for speech, is nearly always located on what side of the brain? The answer is B. Left. What is Asari associated with? The answer is B. India. Which cartoon character, created by Robert McKimson in 1954, was based on a real Australian animal? The answer is B. Taz. The type of eruption a volcano has depends on the type of what in its chamber. The answer is D. Magma. What is the long-handled tool with a flat, sharp end called? The answer is C. Chisel. What tool do musicians use to tune their instruments? The answer is B. Tuner. In what Northwest U.S. state is it illegal for a motorist with criminal intentions to enter a city without first stopping to call the chief of police for the city? The answer is D. Washington. What style is the Sagrada Familia in Barcelona?